Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can color grade multiple clips at the same time in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a video which I've segmented into 4 different parts, and I'm going to be using these parts as clips so that I can show you how to color grade the other ones. Now, firstly, what you're going to do is go to the color tab and color grade this clip or any clip you want, however you want. Let me just heighten the gamma here and lower the gain, and let's say that this is the color grading that I want. Now, as you can see, the other clips are still unedited, but what I'm going to do is select the first of the clips that I want to edit in the same way, and then shift and click to this one here. As you can see, now all of them are selected red, and now I can apply the color grading from this clip to all the others. How do I do that? It's very easy. You just hover your mouse over the clip that you've color graded already, and you literally just press the middle mouse button, and as you can see, now all of the clips are color graded in the same way. And that is pretty much it. You can select all of them and press Ctrl Z, but it still just selects the first clip you or undoes the clip that you've only selected with your mouse, and then you can go across all of them, and sadly you will need to reverse the color grading on each one individually, but pretty much this is about it. It is really as easy as that. So let me just repeat it one more time. Color grade the first one however you want, lower the gain, heighten the offset, lower the lift, etc. Then select the first of the clips you want to edit, shift click to select all of them up until the clip that you actually want to edit. You can also select even less if you want to, for example, let's say these, then hover over the one that it's already color graded, middle click, and that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.